In previous sections, we had discussed markup. In this section, we're going to look the other direction and look at markdown. Now, if you go into a store and you see something's on sale, that's an example of a markdown. Right, so how do they find what price that will be when you ring it up at the register? It's going to be the reduced price equals the original price minus the markdown. But when you're looking at stuff in the store, it's usually not listed as $5 off or $10 off. It's usually listed as 15% off, 20% off in terms of a percentage. So we need to be able to convert that percentage to an actual dollar amount. Right, it's going to be a simple part equals base times rate equation, where the part is the markdown, the base is the original price, and the rate is the percent of markdown. So markdown equals original price times the percent of markdown. All right, let's look at an example. So an item has a retail value of $175 and has been marked down 20%. We need to find the sales price. So first we're going to have to convert that percentage to an actual dollar amount. So markdown equals $175 times the percent of markdown, which was 20%, or 175 times 0.2, which will give us $35. And then the reduced price, or the sales price, will be 175 minus the markdown, so 175 minus 35, which is $140. Now what if we were looking at an item and we saw the sales price and we knew the original price and we were interested in what percentage was marked off? All right, we'd switch our part equals base times rate equation to rate equals part divided by base. And we get percent of markdown equals markdown divided by the original price. All right, so if we have an item that has a retail value of $205 and it's on sale for $153.75, what is the percent of markdown? Okay, so first we're going to have to find the actual markdown. If you look back to the first equation, reduced price equals the original price minus markdown, we know that the difference between the original price and the reduced price has to be the markdown. So we're going to take 205 minus 153.75 and get $51.25. Now to switch that back to a percentage, we're going to take markdown divided by the original price, so 51.25 divided by 205, and we get 0.25, which is 25%.